Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my green seasoning, so let's get into it. So we have some garlic, thyme, pimento seed, bell pepper, salt, sugar, vinegar, ginger, green onions. So there you see I'm peeling about 8 cloves of garlic and I'm just removing the skin, and here I'm using ginger and I'm using my spoon to get the skin off. You know that ginger is good for medicinal and digestion, so that's good to have in your seasoning. And once you make it fresh, you can use it on any of your meat kind, even in your vegetable. It gives it that great flavor. I thank you so much for watching our videos. If you would mind pressing that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything, and we look forward to having you come back to watch our other videos, because we truly appreciate you guys for staying tuned. So there you see I'm cleaning up my green onions that I had in the refrigerator, so I'm taking off the dead skin and stuff, just to make sure that my green seasoning is clean. And you can store it in the fridge once it's blended, and you can use it up to 2 months, since you're gonna be adding the salt and the vinegar. That kind of keeps it fresh, and the ginger as well. So there you see I'm using my green bell peppers. I'm just removing the inner portion because you don't want your sauce to be bitter. And then I have a sweet onion, and I'm just showing you guys how I prepare it. I'm just removing the outer skin. And if there's any recipe you'd like for me to try or to do, just leave it in the comment section, and also let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. So there you see I have some water, and I poured about a tablespoon of vinegar in it as well, just to wash on my vegetable, to remove all the dirt that may possibly be come in contact with them through shipping, being in the store and such. So once you finish washing them, you just drain them. And you notice I cut the head off my scallion, because then you can just stick them in the dirt or in a pot with soil and it will grow. So there you see I'm putting in some of my ingredients. I've added a habanero or scotch bonnet pepper to it as well. If you can remove it, it's not really necessary, it just gives it a little bit of spice. And then we're gonna blend it for 3 to 5 minutes, just to make sure that everything is blended together and it's homogeneous, and that there is no lumps inside of it. And you can use a mason jar to store. A glass jar would be best to store in the refrigerator, and you can repurpose a jar like I did, because I'm going to be using one of my older pickle jars to store it. And there you see that's our first set of our blended green seasoning. So now we're going to be making another batch, and I'm just going to let you guys watch and see the pimento seed there. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.